What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, the best booming crash trader, and today we are going to be looking at this unique booming crash trading strategy that is going to allow you to double, if not triple, your account. Yes, you heard me right. This account is so powerful that it is able to double your account or flip it 3 times. So we're going to look at the settings for this strategy, and I'm also going to share with you the conditions that really have to be met in order for you to be able to do that. We're going to be mixing indicators and price action trading, so be ready to have some sort of confluence trading if you decide to use this strategy. Now, before I continue, I need you guys to take note of the fact that booming crash index is a market of a rising and a falling market. Okay, so a boom usually concentrates on a rising market, and crash usually concentrates on a falling market, just like the names say. Okay, but doesn't mean that you cannot buy in a falling market or you cannot sell in a rising market. They still give the same market cycles, right? So we cannot have a continuous buy in a market without it crashing, just like we cannot have a continuous crash in the market without it rising. Therefore, it is possible for you to place a buy trade or a sell trade on either boom and crash. Okay, so you can't just say I'll be buying on boom only and not selling, and I'll just be selling on crash only and not buying. No, it's not possible. You can still do buying and selling on those markets. Okay, so they still follow the same cycles of the market, so you should have that in mind. Now we've got a couple of indicators that we want to install on our screen. I already have them on my screen, but as usual, we are going to have a step-by-step process of installing them so that you guys do not get confused during the process. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to remove these indicators. These are the indicators that are going to help us identify the trend, identify our entry point, and also identify our exit point. Okay, so these settings are very, very important for our trading because they cover the 3 main issues that we have when we want to place a trade. So as you can see, I now have a blank chart. I'm looking at boom 500. We are going to be using our 15-minute time frame, but with this strategy you can try it out on all the other time frames and check which one are you mostly comfortable with. But you know me, guys, I'm usually comfortable on my 15-minute time frame. So let's get into it. The first indicator that we're going to install is going to go to our main window, and it is called the alligator. Now this alligator will have the following properties. We will have a jaws period of 20, a teeth period of 10, a lips period of 12, a jaws shift of 7, a teeth shift of 12, a lips shift of 5, a method of smoothed and applied to median price. Okay, and then on your visualization, like I said, you can use this strategy on all time frames, so you can allow it to be on all time frames. Now on the sterling, you can just follow these colors. Try and follow these colors in my video. You can later on customize when you are now comfortable with this strategy. Okay, so my teeth are red, my lips are green, my jaws are blue. So if I click done, you will see that on the screen I now have the red, the blue, and the green lines, which is my first indicator called the alligator. Okay, moving on, we are going to need the next indicator, and it is called the commodity channel index. Now this is a very rare indicator, but it is a very powerful momentum detector. So you can see it's under oscillators, and it really tells you the cycles that I was talking about earlier on in this video. So it's going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 20 and apply to typical price. Then we're going to have these 2 levels, minus 100, which will be our buy zone, and 100, which will be our sell zone. We're also going to style this CCI to the color green. Okay, so I've placed it, or I've made it to have this green color. Okay, now if I click done, you see that down below we now have the commodity channel index installed, and as you can see, this is the strategy that I was showing you at the beginning of this video. And what we are only left with now is understanding the conditions. How do you buy? How do you sell? When do you exit? Of course, right? Now I'll be also posting these settings in our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. It's a group, basically free channel, where you can just find all the trading materials. You can find my trading results. You can also see my students trading results, and as well as results from our VIP signals group. Okay, and talking about the VIP signals group, you know that I do give away a free spot in that group, although it's paid, but I do give away a free spot each and every time, and the winner comes from the comment section, right? All you have to do is make sure that you are a subscriber to this channel, like this video, and comment down below. Now I pick a winner on each and every video, and today's winner is, drum roll please, today's winner is I don't know how to pronounce these names, but I'll just put a screenshot right here on the screen, and the winner can contact me so that they can get their free VIP access for 30 days. Basically, the winner said, "Thanks, Munya, I'm learning a lot from you." So if you want to win VIP access, just make sure that you like this video and comment down below, and you might be the next winner. Okay, moving on, let's talk about the conditions for this strategy. How do you trade with this strategy? How do you make money? First of all, we've already established that we're going to be using our 15-minute time frame, right? So we're in our 15-minute time frame, and this is the procedure that you take if you want to place a trade. Now we're gonna start off by explaining a buy trade, because that's the one that is currently on our charts, and here is how you take it. First of all, you want to be tracking this line here at the bottom, right here, this green line here at the bottom. You must be tracking this line, because that's your oscillator. That's the line that tells you what's happening in the market. And you see, when you start seeing this green line approaching this buy zone like this, okay, when you see this green line approaching this buy zone, at the back of your mind, should you now start to realize that you are about to enter into a buy trade. But you're not going to do it immediately, of course, because there's manipulation. There's a lot of things going on in the market. What you have to do now is you're going to wait for it and check when it's about to leave that buy zone like this. It means that it has picked up all its momentum and it's about to leave the buy zone. So at this point, you go to your market and you mark exactly that point. So in this case, it will be right here. That's the point when we start to see the CCI coming up and about to leave the buy zone. Now you don't enter at that point. You wait for the market to give you a confirmation. What is the confirmation, you may ask, right? The confirmation is when you see that now your price is risen and it's about to cross all these three lines, right? The red, the blue, and the green. Once you see price crossing the lines and closing above, that's your entry point. So entry point would be somewhere around here, or actually here. That's when you'll be entering your buy trade. And as you can see, the market then pushed all the way up. Okay, there was a little bit of manipulation here. As you can see, the market quickly pushed down, but then eventually went all the way up. Your stop loss then would be usually around this level where your price crosses. So just below this level is your stop loss, and your take profit is usually the distance from where you saw your buy trade all the way up. So you usually do this, right, on your entry. That's what you do. You just get the distance from when your CCI indicated a buy up to the point where price broke all the lines. That your distance. Okay, let's do this again. Maybe let's look for another buy trade. Okay, here we can see that our green line was about to leave our buy, which is right here, right? And we can see that at this point from here to there, we can see that our entry point was supposed to be here after the prices crossed to be above the lines, right? And like I said, the distance from your first entry to the crossover, you do this. So basically your take profit was supposed to be right here, and as you can see, there was a reaction at that price level, which means this should be already a sign for you that there was something happening in the market. That is, if you didn't believe anyways. Okay, so same thing if you want to enter into a sell. Just look for when price is about to leave your sell area. Price has to cross and close below your red, green, and blue line, and you're good to enter. Okay, we can go on and on and on with these examples, but I don't want to make these videos too long. So let's do one last example for the sell. Now we said what you do is you identify when price is about to leave your level 100, right? And that's that level. You can cross check, do something like this. Okay, so we're saying at this point, and we're saying you mark this level up here. Okay, then you wait for price to cross these lines, all of them, and close below. And once you see that, it means you're going to enter into your sell zone at this point. And like I said, your take profit will just be the same distance moved to there. And you can see here again, there's a reaction. Can you see that green candlestick right where you are supposed to exit? There was a reaction on the market. So can you see what I'm talking about? I'm going to do a part 2 of this video if we get 100 likes and 20 comments. So comment down below, and don't forget that you will also be able to win VIP access. If you like this video, subscribe and comment, and next chance might be your chance. So if you want a part 2 of me really explaining in depth about how this strategy works, as you can see, it's a very powerful strategy. Please make sure you like the video. Let's get to 100 likes and 20 comments. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and until next time.